Alright, so today I want to show you guys how to get to the Autodesk Revit and for my drafting intro students, hopefully 360 or SolidWorks. SolidWorks I won't be able to show you guys how to yet. We're working on getting you guys licenses at home, or if it's going to be remoting in, then you don't have to worry about this. But if you'd like it and you have a powerful enough computer at home to run it, something from like the 2017 era and newer, should be able to run it, and you should have an easy time running it, and it shouldn't have too many issues with it working at that time. So with this, we're now looking at my page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and we're going to Google Autodesk Student, and it should bring up the first page. Now I'll also link these within our Google Classroom, but I'm going to be working with this right here for right now. So we're going to go to this page, and we're going to first see this, and it's going to have a bunch of different options showing us what we look at, showing us plans, stuff like that. But the first thing that we're going to see is we want to go up here and hit sign in. Okay, now you'll see my email address, my KSD is set up, and I'm going to hit next. And because I've already been here, I've saved that password. That's fine. Okay, and we're going to hit stay signed in. For you guys, what it'll do is you'll have to create an account. Okay, and when going through that creation, you should link it to your KSD account. It'll ask you a handful of things like graduation year. Let's see, graduation year, specific technology area that you're focused in on, like engineering, architecture, stuff like that. So it'll ask you a handful of questions, but the most important thing to do is make sure that you're doing your graduation year. Okay, so we're gonna hit sign in for me. Now, depending on how your account is set up, it should bring you back to this page once when you've gotten that verification through your email. Okay, once when you're here, you go get products. Okay, and now it's already asking you again if you have an educational access. I already do. It's up through there, and then you'll see Revit and then Fusion360. These are going to be our two that we'll be utilizing within our, well, one will be Revit, is architecture based. Fusion360 and SolidWorks. We're working on getting you guys a license for that, or we'll use it as we remote into the computers here. Okay, Fusion360, it's easy enough to do at home. I can send you guys some walkthrough, some learning on how to do that. But for right now, it's Fusion360 and Revit. So I'm going to walk through the Revit process for us. So we're back here, we're looking at this. Once again, we'll see Revit and Fusion360. There is that sign in up there. Do make sure to hit that, and it'll okay you guys through that education license. But you'll be sitting here, and you'll go Revit, and you'll hit get product, and you'll bring it here, and it'll go Windows. If you're on a Windows, make sure to select that. I don't believe Revit has a Mac install. Okay, and then you can select the version. And then we'll go English. If you're another native with one of these other languages, you are welcome to download it. I will probably not be able to help you through those. And then there's a handful of different ways to do the install. Okay, for this you just hit install, and then you'll hit accept, and then it'll give you a file to download. You walk through the installation process, and it'll take you right through.